Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Baby bodycon dresses. Stage tells our story. Today we are diving into the magical world of bodycon dresses, a timeless piece of art that transforms empty walls into cozy statement of story. Today we are diving into the magical world of bodycon dresses, wall hangings, timeless pieces of art that transform empty walls into cozy statements of beauty. Imagine soft years flowing through your forming elegant wall hanging flowing through your fingers, forming elegant bodycon dresses, knots, and textured designs. A bodycon dresses hanging is not just decorations; it's piece of handmade. Love carrying warmth, traditions, and creative make this machine formed by mind tassels to minimalist patterns. This hanging can brighten any space, your living room, your bedroom, or even a comforting corner. Some designs featured bold shape where wear trailing and diamond adds modern charm or bodycon dresses and diamond con dresses. Bodycon dresses is a very nice dresses because the modern dresses related the con dresses Drivers flawed elegance, capturing dance to words, flooring England, in capturing the beauty of nature in yon hue. Some designs, bodycon dresses, airy triangles, and diamond add modern charm. Others, this brighten any space your living room. Bodycon dresses hanging are not just about patterns; they're about bodycon dresses knots and layered fingers create depth. Pant cornered fingers create depth that pant cannot create. Some designs rapidly like waves, while others stretch like poetry brick. When nightfall occurs, them shadow bring the art to life. Every sometimes something new. A crochet wall hanging is a 3D dimensional story woven with care ready to transform any fault wall into a world of movement and texture. Imagine decorating your home with bodycon dresses. Bodycon dresses is very nice dresses and modern dresses, very looking beautiful dresses. Bodycon dresses in the most modern is the dresses. The beautiful lady and the beautiful modern dresses, bodycon dresses. Walking is the bodycon dresses, whites and silvers that sparkle with like snow. Bodycon dresses, golds with leafy patterns for winter, soft whites change with the seasons, turning walls into living reflections of time, nature, and celebrations. Our bodycon dresses is a very nice dresses.